Hi, I'm sucking at this YouTube thing today. We ran and grabbed some food. Good morning, everybody. Hey, I'm really sucking at this YouTube thing. So anyway, we ran and grabbed some food. We're having lunch with Andy and Carrie, plotting to take over the world. Woo! And I come back from the store, and this is awaiting on me.
So explain the crown, Miss Carrie.
What's the crown there?
I am presenting you with this crown for entering the 50 club.
Now you got
How do you have that crown?
I turned 50 in July.
Turn around.
I'm not wearing that fucking crown.
There you go.
There you are. You
You'll
sure
never
are.
see it. Anyway, look at that beautiful cake. And it's angel food cake, which is my favorite. How did you know?
Last year.
I didn't know. Yeah.
You got your own clothes. You took it. Oh.
All right, guys. So I'm going to enjoy my cake and eat it too. We'll see you in a bit. One of the poo crew. There's only a limited number here, so come get your poo crew today. And we're off. We're headed to Monette. We're going to go through Roaring River on the way home, just because I love stopping there. So we're going to go through there, then we'll head to Monette. Send us Mama back. She's got her lipstick on. Here we go. Alright, one of my favorite areas when we're down here, Roaring River State Park. They have a right, there it is. The world famous Freedom Silo. There's Mama in front of the world famous Freedom Silo. Let's go see what it is here. Freedom Silo was dedicated October 10th of 2020. The muralist was Rain Klottfelter. I'm sure I said that wrong. Here you go. You can pause and read the whole story. All right, so it's going to be a shorter video today because we're here. We're at my sister's house hanging out. We'll be here for a couple weeks, basically a week from Friday. We will be back at Switchback for the party before the day before, and then the next day is the women's ride to the Steel Horse rally. So we'll do that. Thursday is my birthday party, and then I found out that Sunday they're having another birthday party for some other of our family. So that's 2 birthday parties this week and a whole lot of people. Anyway, should be a good time. We're looking forward to that. But yeah, we're gonna be here working every day, trying to get caught up, because when we have these weekends where we can't do everything we need to do, that means we have to catch up during the week when we're parked somewhere. So we're parked here. We'll be working our tails off, getting everything lined up. I must say that the Pooh Crew and Skidmark was a huge success this weekend. Everybody really took to it. We had a lot of fun with it. We brought a lot of awareness to support bikers and the Wrecked Rider Fund and Support a Biker. So we're super happy with that. And yeah, we can't wait for the next adventure. But until then, we'll see y'all tomorrow.